Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm going to be guiding you through how to mute the music in Honkai Star Rail game using your mobile device. If you want to play Honkai Star Rail quietly, record content, or just focus on the gameplay without the music, follow through the steps. First of all, launch open Honkai Star Rail on your device and click on the phone icon at the top left. Now from the right hand side menu, click on the gear button. From the left hand side menu, click on the sound option in second row. You will then be able to open up this sound settings menu. Drag the slider towards the left right next to master volume in order to turn off the master volume for your game. If you want to turn off only music but want to keep other effects such as sound effects, voice effects, etc., you can turn off the bar right next to music. Similarly, you can also customize other options such as voice audio balance, music, etc. Simply drag the slider left or right, and if you want zero sound, then make sure you drag the bar all the way towards the left in order to mute the sound effect. After you do that, you can now get back to the main menu and enjoy playing Honkai Star Rail without any sound effects and dialogues on. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to your channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.